Go ahead. Okay. What's up? This your girl Diamond. I'm on my way down to Pine Bluff. Gonna go kick it with the fam. Pushing Red Bunny all the way there. My nigga got me mad, but you know what? I ain't tripping. But I'ma kick it this weekend. I got my cousin Ty with me. What's up, Ty?
What's good, y'all?
What's up?
Hey.
Which way am I going?
We're on our way to Pine Bluff right now.
Already?
You know we high, we chilling.
Hot in the motherfucker. Hot in the motherfucker. But we're gonna straight kick it up in fire.
Like a motherfucker though. Already.
They don't motherfucking know. This is what we do on a daily basis over here. This is nice. I mean, the sun ain't out today, but it's all right though. Free Boosie. But he ain't gonna be free though.
You already know.
Everybody know Boosie is gone. They done got him, they done pinned him in jail, and they ain't busted him with the murder charges. Now what the fuck is he gonna do? We're gonna have to bump some old Boosie for his ass. Let me stop. Hey, I'm riding up in Red Bunny. Don't them hoes look funny? Diamond on the motherfucker, and I'm gonna get it wet. Fuck my motherfucking nigga. Fuck my motherfucking nigga. Cause I'm single for the night. Diamond gon' get on and she gonna do it right. Got Ty mix up in the we gon' get it down and we gon' ride this shit quick.
Fuck these niggas, they ain't fucking shit.
What?
I got the fucking sideline, she a fucking baddest.
What?
Give me crunk. We on our way to Pine Bluff and we high as fuck. Hold on, go ahead and bust the beat. I'm passing Courtney, her name is Diamond.
The freak. Let me stop. We crazy up in the motherfucker. That's what that purple hair you doing. That's what that purple hair you doing. Feeling like your ass can rap and shit. Fuck these record deals. I want a dance deal. Shit. Put me on the floor. Let me stop. No promotion this weekend. Get them. Hey Jetta. Hey Green Jetta. Tune in next time. In about 30 minutes. Cut it off.